Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Buick Terraza CXL. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.9-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick has less than 125,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.